Hey guys, Jenny here. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we're gonna set up my August monthly budget. And August is a magic month, meaning I will be receiving an extra paycheck. Yeah. So I hope everyone is doing good. So thank you so much for watching. And if you're watching here, if it's your first time here, welcome. And please consider subscribing. Okay, let's get back to the video. So this is okay. Can you guys see? So for my job and my OT, because it's a magic month, I will be getting a extra paycheck. We're gonna budget 3,100, and this is like money I get after taxes, my 401k contribution, my health insurance, dental, vision, and also I contribute some money for my HSA, and it have like overtime. For YouTube, I did not get a paycheck last month, so this month I'm supposed to get a paycheck for both June and July. So we're gonna budget 160. Side hustle, I got a refund for how much was it? 79 point something. So we're gonna put 79, and let's do the total. So 3,100 plus 160 plus 79 equal like $3,339. $339. Health insurance, this is for my mom health insurance, and it's like 53. Phone, this is also for my mom phone because I'm still under my stepmom and my dad plan. Monthly pass, I don't have a car, I will land with public transportation. It's all my application, it's 7. I did cancel some of them, and 10 for buffer. Housing related, this is like my utilities, my mortgage. I bought a house, so now I have mortgage, but I do have a tenant because I bought a multifamily that pay me rent. I'm not gonna say how much, it's the privacy, but I have a tenant that helped me with my mortgage payment. And I also, the program that I apply for, it's a Mass One loan it's a program that Massachusetts have for people that don't make a lot of money, for low income to moderate income. And because of my income, I was qualified for a subsidy, and it's like for the first 4 years, I will be getting $125 that will go toward my mortgage payment. And this is a loan, but it's an interest-free loan, and if I stay in the house for 30 years or finish paying it while it's still my primary residence, I don't have to pay it back. And the subsidies that I qualify, it's a total for 8,000 something I will be getting from them. So for the first 4 years, it will be 123. Then after that, it will decrease until I reach 8,000. So it's basically 8,000 of interest-free money or free money if I don't sell the house. Yeah, which is good. You should see if your state have something similar. And it was like pretty good. I probably wouldn't, without this program, I wouldn't be able to buy a house now because I did not have 20%. It's a conventional loan. I didn't have 20%. I just put like 10% down, but there is no PMI. Yep, so housing related, so just 1,050 will be enough after my tenant and the subsidies. So I'm hoping that will be enough. But my first payment will do in September, and I did get money from my tenant for August, but I don't include that in my personal budget. I do have a budget just for the house, and I also have an envelope for a binder just for the house. I might or might not show it to you guys. I will have to think about it because I'm like, maybe sharing too much information, especially since I'm not the only one living in the house. The tenant living upstairs and I'm living downstairs. I do have an attic that I can turn into a studio once I have money. So how much money do we have left? We have 240. Okay, so we have 2,099 left. Food, we're gonna do 210. Entertainment, let's just do 50. tip, we're gonna do 10, spending 15, transportation / Uber. Like I mentioned, I don't have a car. Let's just do 25. Dollar Tree, how much should we do? 22. Personal care 50, medicine just get 10, miscellaneous 20, giving 40. How much is it? 210 plus 50 plus 10 plus 15 plus 25 plus 22 plus 15 plus 10 plus 20 plus 40. It's 417. And how much do we have left? So we had minus 417. Oops. Oh, I think we can. 417. We have 1,682 left. Okay. Not bad at all. For Christmas, for my second fund, I don't think I will put a lot of money off my second fund, because when I'm finished all my saving challenges, I think I'm gonna use those money for my second fund. But for Christmas, I know I'm behind, so let's put 50. My dad is turning 60 this year, so let's do 20. Car, I don't have a car. Saving for one, so we're gonna do 50. Budget with training, gonna do 16. Giveaway, gonna do 5. Let's do, oh, I do plan on having a giveaway when I have 2,000 subscribers, but it's taking me forever to get to that magic number of 2,000. Gifts and event, let's just do 10. Let's give myself 20. Self-care, let's do 10. Vacation, let's do 5. Self-care 5, vacation 5. Shopping, we're not gonna put anything. Clothes, let's do 5. Electronic, I'm still using my stepmom computer. Let's do 20. Dental, yep, my appointment is in September 15. I need to have enough money, so we're gonna do 50. Vision, I don't have any appointment coming, so we're just gonna do 5. FC will do 5. PO box, let's do 10. Subscription, I'm saving, so next year maybe I can do the yearly for Canva instead of paying month to month, because it will be cheaper. And how much is it? So we have the plus 20 plus 50 plus 16 plus 5 plus 30 plus 10 plus 20 plus 10 plus 25 plus 50 plus 10 plus 15. It's 311. So not much, but that's fine. Like I say, when I'm finished my saving challenges, most of the money will be going there. So we have 1682 minus the answer. So now we have $1,371 left. My IRA, I think I'm almost done with my IRA. So let's just do 250. I have to check and see how much I have left. I-bonds, we're gonna do 50, and so 250 for IRA, 50 for I-bonds. So we have $1,071 that will be going toward my saving challenges. So 250 plus 50 plus 1,071. Yep, it's 3,071. And just like that, we have a zero-based budget. And just like that, we did it in under 10 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video, probably a saving challenge. Surfing. Oh, I also need to do my July dividend update. Yeah. Bye. Take care. Until next time.